Thursday. I am being dramatic by the pause. Miss Stephanie and we're going to show you what we're teaching tonight for our weekly West Coast Swing class. Now, here's the scoop. 2 different moves. Using your partner's arms to scoop her down the track. So it's called your scoop. 2 different views, 2 different versions. Hope you enjoy both. The first one is pretty basic. At the end of a sugar push, 3 and 4, you're going to take your left hand and transfer it into hers. Now that's just for the class. If you want to do it in a different way, in a cooler way, by all means, please do that. But a very basic way to get into it is, of course, at the end of the sugar push, guys, just take your left hand and put it into hers. Okay? Then from there, you're going to set her down the track. What you're going to do is the first part of the scoop. So at the end of the sugar push, 1, 2, 3, 4, left to left. 1, 2. I'm going to take the back of my right hand, and again, I'm just connecting with her underside of her wrist. So ladies, when you feel the connection, give the connection back. You got to get it there to 2. On the sugar push, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 1, 2. Now there's no momentum now since we stopped, but you're going to take this hand, once you connect with it and let go of it, you're going to set her down the track for a triple step, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Hard to do slow. Then you're going to switch back to where you're holding her right with your left. So sugar push here, 1, 2, 3 and 4, left to left. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Now while you're making her rotate to her left, just make sure you guide her. She may fall off the track so much. We'll go front to back. So guys, you may not see the wrist to wrist very much. You see how I connect with her, send her down the track, and then I pick her back up. Okay? That's just one cute little way to do it. We hope you like this. And a special thing, if you do this move, if you're in New York, if you're in Paris or in Israel, you're in Australia, wherever you are, record yourself doing it. Send it to us. We'll post it for you. We'd love to see our dancing wherever it is all over the world. That's why we do it. Sugar push here. The second version is off of a hustle whip. So it's 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And we introduced that part to the class. But at the beginning of that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 1, 2. You take my right hand, put it in her right hand, okay? So again, it's still a whip variation, but switching hands on the first 2 steps. So 1, 2. Now she does her coaster, I'm going to come around. 3 and 4. This time, my left hand, the back of my left hand, connects with the underside of her right wrist. Because from there, we do another one. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're going to send her through. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, hard to see from that angle. But coming through with a sugar push, bring her through and switch hands to 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. By 4, get it to here, pull her through. 5, 6, 7, and 8. So going front to back with the 8 count move. So sugar push, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Switch hands, 2, 3, and 4. Scoop, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? So there's a bonus to both of these. You can then put her into closed position if you want. Okay, so for this new move, you can go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 into a tuck turn if you want. And then you can do the other way, 3 and 4 left to left. And then 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and again into a tuck turn to finish. Okay, so both moves front to back and we're finished. We hope you like this. Please hit the like button. She gets mad if you don't get likes. Trust me, you don't care when the camera's off. And don't forget to subscribe for a free video. We really appreciate it. It's free. Left to left to begin. First 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 into a tuck turn. Okay. And then the second one is off of a hustle whip. 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Send her through. Here's the scoop. That's the scoop. Thank you, my dear. Thank you, guys. As always, we hope you like both of those. A couple of other scoops in my repertoire, but these two kind of blend together because they're so similar in fashion, and they end kind of the same way. Thank you as always for watching, and as always, until next time, keep dancing.